Now, I love this one, running a giveaway with another company. The purpose is to partner with a company that sells a tangible product, or it could be a digital product, but basically they sell something that will serve and cater to the same target audience that you are trying to reach. We have a lot of JV partnerships with different automation tools, and it's really, really cool because in the world of automation, it's not really even just geared to network marketers, but it's so applicable if a person is looking for efficiency, and who isn't looking for efficiency. So what we decided to do was look into different automated tools. First, the way we did it, guys, we were having problems, and we went to seek out how we can overcome these problems using automation. We selected some things, we tried some things, we got some results, and then we started opening that up to our team, and then others people got excited about it, and then we just reached out to these other companies and said, hey, look, we have an audience of people, we would love to do a joint venture, right? So here is an example outbound message that you can put together. Hey, I love your product, and I would love to do a giveaway to my followers and maybe help you guys get exposure and additional eyeballs on your content. Now, listen, if you're trying to shoot for the stars with a bigger company, they may not respond. I would, or even agree to what you're trying to do. I would kind of stick around with guys who are just coming out of the gate, maybe a step or two ahead of you, but realize that leveraging other people's audiences is the best way to go. Sometimes you'll actually have to purchase, this thing from that company, and just that's almost like a marketing budget, right? And then have this giveaway to bring people in. Sometimes the company will be just willing just to give one resource tool away at no cost for you, just to get the audience. So you got to fill out the conversation. Just have to have some dialogue, right? So what does the process look like? What you will both do is you will do a post. So you're going to create a graphic that both you and the other company is willing to do a cross promotion on. So both of you can promote that you're going to do this live training, right? And this caption could say something along the lines, hey, I'm teaming up with, insert the company that you're teaming up with, to give away, insert the offer. And here's a pro tip. Let's say you're using an automation tool that automatically identifies who is engaging and who is not engaging on your profile. Maybe as an additional added bonus value, not only do you give away this tool or this software, but you also give them this, and you give them this, and you give them this, and you make a bigger offer out of not just giving the tool away, but making an offer around it, right? So that's another pro tip. But anyhow, you want to insert the offer there. If you want to enter, here are the rules. All you have to do is first like this post, right? The post that you're actually putting out there. Next, screenshot or share, depending on what platform you're on, or depending if you're on your profile or inside of a Facebook group or not, right? Screenshot or share this post on your timeline or your Facebook story. Third is to tag me as well as tag the company in the post that you shared. And finally, tag 3 friends in the comments. And if you hadn't already, also follow me and the company's profile, because the goal is to get this to other people's networks so that person may not be already connected with you. Understand? So simply like, follow, repost, tag us, and in the comments section, tag 3 friends that will automatically enter you to potentially win, and again, restate the offer that you're proposing. So here's the bonus, guys. You can also do something where every friend you tag after the initial 3, they get an additional entry, right? The star is the limits with this. The whole idea is to get your profile in front of additional people. They get on your profile, they see your content, they're doing the lurking, they're seeing what you're fighting for, what you're fighting against, what you're all about. But this could be a real effective way to get new friends onto your friends list because of the value that you're given, right? So you can actually do a strategy where you reach out to these new followers and just thank them for connecting, right? You can say something along, this prompt, hey, I'm curious to know if you are working on any goals or if there's any areas in your business where you're getting stuck. Love to share details about our free Facebook group community and see if it's a fit for you to learn and grow. So the exciting thing is you can turn an inquiry of a giveaway, even though if that person doesn't win that giveaway, you can turn that inquiry or that level of interest to a POC, a possibility of connection, getting into Messenger, discovering and learning more about what makes them stuck like Chuck, right? So if that company has a decent following, guys, you will get a lot of people who are following them that would have no idea that you even existed, right? So this is also a fun way to get to know these companies. And in our experience, the more joint ventures that we're doing with other people, it's just a blessing in disguise. Eric he's also interviewing these people, and it's just a real good way to leverage other people's audience and build the tide lifts all boats kind of vibe. All right, so hopefully this was helpful, guys. I'll see you on the next training.